Hello internet friends. In this video I'm going to be finishing up the riveting on the tailcone bottom fuselage skin. Tailcone bottom skin, that's what it is. And yeah, so a few more rivets, I'm going to be done with this, and then I'm going to get out the right fuselage skin and deburr it. Which is going to be the whole video. And again, this is part of building a plane, is doing one task over and over and over and over and over again. That task is deburring and then riveting, and those are probably the two tasks that you got to do that are so repetitive that by the time you're done with the rudder, you should be good at it, I think, ish. I mean, obviously you just saw me drill out the rivets, so I messed up one out of, I don't know what, 100 rivets, so I'm doing okay tonight. Now, once this tail cone is done, it actually mates to the fuselage, which you see in the center of the video there, at the top, right? That it rivets onto that. So the plane, as you can tell, is going to be relatively long. And now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, I don't think I can put these two pieces together in the garage. Like, this is definitely going to have to get put together in the hangar, because I don't know if there'll be enough space to put the fuselage together with the tail cone. In fact, there's another piece of the fuselage to the right, which is the firewall. The firewall is another, what, 4 feet long, 3 feet long, that rivets onto the fuselage that you see in the center screen. And then you could see me getting down the right skin, which I'm running out of space. Like, I had to put the tail cone down on the ground. I put down a protective sheet so it wouldn't get scuffed up, and then made space on the table so I could take off the blue vinyl and dimple and deburr the right fuselage skin there. I keep saying fuselage, I mean tail cone. So yeah, I think once the tail cone gets together, I'm definitely going to have to put the tail cone out in the hangar. I did go out there and I set up a rack. Just one of those racks from Costco that has the interconnecting, I don't know what it's called, brackets or whatever. You know the racks. So I put that together and I took the elevators out there. So that's out there. I don't know where I'm going to put the tail cone. I don't think I can stack it vertically. Maybe I can hang it from something. But I'm going to have to get those parts from Vans. So I still have no update or progress from Vans on my rudder kit, or the not rudder. It's the horizontal. It's been a long day. It is the vertical stabilizer that I'm going to redo. So I reordered the parts for the vertical stabilizer, which really there's only like 6 or 8 parts. And then I ordered the horizontal stabilizer attach bars that I screwed up in a previous video. And I included a note, because since I ordered it on 2 different days, and I said, hey, just put these tiny pieces of metal in the the box that you ship the vertical stabilizer in. So we'll see what happens. Now that I'm looking at this from the other angle, I do have tons of space over here if I could figure out how to banish my wife's van from the garage. But for some reason, I don't think that's an actual viable option. Maybe in the winter it would be, but I mean, it is the winter, but in the summer, definitely not. Yeah, I should get these thoughts out of my head right now, because that will not work. So anyway, yep, going to the hangar. Oh, you know what? I could put the tail cone up on that rack. Well, I forgot that rack is there, but good thing I'm watching that video. It would fit up there. I wouldn't have to take it out to the hangar. I don't know if I need it, though. I should read the plans. Sorry for thinking out loud, but these are the thoughts you have when you're building an airplane, and the challenges you face of what is it called? Spatial recognition, something like that. So, anyway, if you also face challenges of spatial recognition building your airplane, or specifically your RV, come join our RV Slack group. The link is in the description, and there you can find interesting discussions like about paint. Yep, paint is cool. So anyway, see you there, and see you in the next video.